That's nice to hear. Amigo is going to show off his counting skills from 1 to 10. First in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect 10. He's going to count again, but this time in a different language. Let's hear him do it in Chinese.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
很好. 很好 means very good in Mandarin. Let's move on to singing now, shall we? The first song he'll be singing for us is a local children's song. It goes by the title, 客人来. 客人来 means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, can you please sing in Mandarin?
客人来看爸爸，爸爸不在家，我的客人是多呀，来
客人来 by Amigo, word for word. Good boy. Good singing there. Second song originates from Indonesia. Rasa sayang. If I were to translate, rasa means feel, sayang means love. Feelings of love. Okay, Amigo, sing for us. Rasa sayang.
rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat sudah sayang, sayang.
Hey, rasa Amigo, rasa sayang. Last but not least, an English song. Today is the 11th of April. Am I right? Anyone celebrating a birthday? Let me start from this section. No birthdays, okay. Right here? Birthdays today? Just raise your hand, you don't have to come down. No birthdays today? Birthday. Is it a birthday? Today? Very good. Okay, where? Oh, hello. Okay, 1, 2, okay, I hope. Is it your birthday too? All right, for all who are celebrating your birthdays, I see at least 3 in the crowd. Amigo, you know what to do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you from Amigo! It's time for Amigo to head back home. He has done a wonderful job, right? Can everyone